In this video, I'm going to summarize the plan in under 2 minutes. The plan is based on what's emerging from the collective consciousness. It's not my plan, it's the plan. In its most basic form, the plan is a river basin resilience strategy, which restores soil health and slows the flow of water. Both of these actions together significantly reduce drought and flooding and provide healthy food and thriving local economies while improving social cohesion. The only challenge is that these activities are not profitable in the current economic system. And so we stimulate healthy value flows of nature-based capital by placing pockets of land along the river into a land trust for perpetuity. We then issue regenerative land tokens backed by the land trust. We sell these tokens to those who wish to invest in the future of the planet and future generations. And then from the revenue raised, we issue Community Inclusion Currencies to incentivize denizens of the land to restore the ecosystem. So how do we measure our impact? Well, we use Bioregional Progress Indicators combined with satellite imagery to provide full transparency of the on-the-ground impact each community makes. The value of the regenerative land token fluctuates on the market based on the performance of the Bioregional Progress Indicators. So I encourage you to read the lengthy essay that explains exactly how the plan is evolutionarily coherent. While this plan is simple, fully understanding its power requires emergent thinking. In other words, you need to set aside just for a moment everything you know about money and the economy. In the navigation menu below, you can skip directly to the plan and a much more detailed wiki if you're already familiar with the 3 converging evolutions. So thanks for watching and enjoy the read. Oh, and I'd love your feedback.